Did you know organizations waste up to 30% of their Azure spending? That's a lot of money. But don't worry, there's a way to get your Azure costs under control. It's called FinOps, which will unify diverse teams with relevant cost data to make optimization decisions unanimously. In other words, it's a collaborative approach to cloud cost management that involves finance, DevOps, and operations teams working together to optimize their Azure resources. So here's a fully mature cost management tool that is perfectly in sync with the 5 key FinOps principles and boosts savings of up to 30%. 1. Map your Azure spending to the business value. Adopting FinOps and making data-driven choices demands to have a transparent understanding of the expenses, be it cost per customer, product, or feature. But there's a significant barrier. Azure's billing provides only an aggregate of the costs. Addressing this challenge, Cost Analyzer puts your spending in the business context, aligning with the needs of multiple teams like engineering, finance, key stakeholders, etc. 2. Empower everyone to take Azure cost ownership. It's important that everyone takes ownership of the Azure cost, including engineering and operations teams, not just finance. Consider a real-time scenario where engineers are often absorbed in developing new features. Here, they may overlook how setting up new resources or adding extra storage can drive up costs. Hence, letting them know the cost impact of their work is crucial while trying to adopt a cost-conscious culture. How do we bring this shift? With Cost Analyzer, let your engineers get real-time alerts on budget overruns with immediate visibility into the reason for cost spike. 3. Maximize cost optimization opportunities. Azure environments enable businesses to scale quickly and adapt to changing demands. However, the scalability can lead to over-provisioning and overspending without proper management. To eliminate any such wastage, get strategic recommendations from right-sizing resources, purchasing reserved instances, and auto-scale down resources when not in use with Cost Analyzer. This can ensure that your organization always stays agile without incurring unnecessary costs. 4. Adopt real-time cost allocation strategies. This is the advanced aspect of FinOps, where it requires organizations to attribute Azure costs directly to custom business dimensions. Whether it's through tags or filters, Cost Analyzer lets you group resources and analyze costs for each customer, project, or feature in a neatly organized hierarchy. This empowers accurate tracking and allocation of costs to the respective owners, helping to enforce showback policies. 5. Establish cross-functional team collaboration. Pull together a team that includes representatives from finance, operations, and engineering to work collaboratively on your FinOps initiatives. Start by getting everyone on the same page with a shared language, key metrics, and benchmarks. At this stage, Cost Analyzer becomes crucial for extracting cost details tailored to respective stakeholders. For instance, the finance team can access high-level cost data, whereas the engineers can drill down further info like the number of hours a particular VM has run using a single platform. Adopt FinOps now and master your Azure spending. No more surprises.